Hi viewers, in this video we will tell you about the latest machines in the world. We are sure that you have not seen these machines before, so you must watch the video till end. Patreon X. Patreon X is the world's first mobile robotic machine and block laying system that is capable of working safely, quickly, and accurately outdoors in uncontrolled conditions. The technique builds block structures from 3D CAD models, significantly improving visual safety while producing far less waste than traditional construction methods. Unique optimization software converts wall patterns into blocks and minimizes the manipulation of block products, increasing the efficiency of residential constructions. Dynamic technology stabilizes system dynamics. RU800s from Celsky. Only a single machine to complete the work on the railway track. This single machine performs the complete work of cleaning and rebuilding tracks on crushed stone foundations. The weight of the machine is 692 tons. The 580-foot-tall Celsky steel Colossus with additional platforms is off. The RU800's model is undoubtedly attracting attention on European rail networks as well. In addition to its unusual appearance, it impresses with its versatility, completing track renewals in a 10-hour shift. Sigma B411. It is a compact, powerful, and versatile self-propelled machine. Ski harvesting is characterized by its standards and high performance that distinguish Sigma brand products. It is perfect for mechanical pruning of olive, almond, and pistachio trees or hanging fruit with medium trunks. It was originally designed to pick fruit from the ground, however it converts to a full harvester as a swinging head and reverse canopy can also be fitted with vertical rods. The umbrella box holds about 25 tons of fruit, which can be unloaded through a hydraulically operated hatch. A four-wheel drive under the box combined with a rear steerable axle gives the machine a compact size. Telescopic acceleration and hydraulic adjustment make it easy to tighten for maneuvering in tight spaces. Maniac walking excavator. Technical features: it is unique with a separate, complex, high-tech chassis design. Patented boom variable hydraulic cylinders allow this versatile machine to adjust wheels and supports. It can be worked in different types of land, which is why it is also called mini-muck in some countries. Digging, lifting, and braking power is much higher than in conventional machines. The M545 model of excavators, weighing 9.5 tons, is comparable to 20-ton wheeled machines. Open front slasher. It is equipped with a high-quality reinforced slasher deck and integrated push bar. The combination of a 4-blade configuration and serrated edges with a heavy-duty 4-blade holder ensures its performance. This excellent model captures large quantities of plants and effectively kills plant pests. Increased space for extra-wide bolt-on interchangeable slides for safer operation and maintenance. Attachment points, forged heavy-duty blade bolts, and more. High productivity, simplicity, and the reliability of the design is excellent cross-country ability and maneuverability as well as maintainability. The distinctive features of this tractor model, the Kuvets K7, can be combined with both conventional agricultural implements and prospects of one such tractor during the year for manufacturing modern wide-catch complex tillage and sowing machines. And so up to 5,000 hectares with full compliance with agricultural conditions due to excellent action and transport. Features: the K7 model is used all year round on the heaviest transport and support jobs. The tractor is equipped with a hydraulic system of equipment working with a maximum axial piston pump. 180 liters per minute capacity. Basic equipment includes 3-point ISO category. According to the developer's vision, the robot on your screens will be equipped. The technology aims to manage plants with highly sensitive sensors and artificial intelligence. It is intended to provide the owner with information on plant growth, soil moisture, crop yield, and the chemical composition of berries. However, it is not a robot that will not perform the most difficult tasks in the field. It aims to transform human beings. Its main mission is to help them compete in the market. Diamond Mowers Prox Disc Mulcher is the best solution for mulching small diameter trees and shrubs. It provides more power than conventional attachments. Due to the inertia of the disc mule is powered by a hydraulic motor, which offers significant advantages. Commercially available with 3 different motor options, which include a gear motor and 2 piston motors. P125 and P160. Although this attachment is precise and ideal for land clearing, it's still not recommended for use in urban areas. Thank you for tuning into World's Reality. If you found this video on heavy equipment machines, modern agricultural technology, and re-engineering informative and engaging, make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment sharing your feedback.